Welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to make two different parts from one shape. Okay, so I'm going to delete my part.dxf file. Okay, it's deleted. I'm going to show you this shape here. This is the sketch I made to create these two parts right here. These could be a pillar block or some kind of support, a bearing in here, and this is the other end support that maybe is going to get welded. And this could be drilled or welded. Anyhow, this is what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to minimize this again. Keeping track. Let's see if I can make room here. Alright. So this is the first shape we're going to make. We're going to make this side, what is it? See if I can, should have made the screen bigger. Alright, it's going to be 4 inches long, which I have here. The center distance is 3/4, so we're going to type 0.75. And the side is 750, so we'll give that 0.750. The offset, there is no offset on this one. The next one will have an offset. Okay, so I think that's it for this one. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna add 1.25 inch hole. Now, the radius is calculated to whatever this distance is here. The difference between these two sides is what the radius is, and it's already calculated. It'll pop up here and tell you. So, getting back, let's finish the job here. So what we're going to do now, we want to add a hole, and that's 1.25 inch hole. So let's go back, and it's going to be 2 inches because this is 4, so that's correct. So we're going to change this to 750, and we're going to change this to 1.25 inches. Center, that's the center distance, and there's the hole size. Enter it. Okay, it's done. Close it. Now we're going to enter this. Enter. That's done. Now we're going to change it to this. This little tab here. This is 0, so the bottom is right there. Okay, so it's going to be 4 1/4 on the offset. That's 4 plus 250. That's for the cut. You could have made it 1/8 if you want, 4 1/8, or 4 1/2 or whatever. Okay, and it's going to be 0. The length is going to be 1 inch. And the side is, if you read the pop-up, oh, I don't know. I can't get the pop-up in, but it says there, enter 0 for no sides. So I'm going to enter 0. Now, a lot of these shapes, you can do the same thing here if you wanted to change the shape. You can also import this into your CAD program and change the shape as well. Okay, so clicking on, see if we go, we're going to do a hole size. Let's enter it and put the hole in. The hole's a 1/2 inch, so add the hole. going to be a 1/2 inch hole, and it's going to be 4 1/4 on X. Is that right? Oh, 4 750. Made a mistake. And it's going to be 750. So there's the centers, the whole size. Enter. I think we're done. Close it. Create it. It's created. I guess we can go to Sheet Cam. If hopefully I did this right. So let's go to Sheet Cam. Get it in here. It's called. It's in my my DXF, Part DXF. I always use Part DX for examples, but you could have named it anything you wanted. And it's inch. Oh, there we are. I guess I did it right. Well, guys, there you are. This is what you can do with this program. You can create 2 parts from one shape. 2 different parts. Now, this center could be moved up to using the X and Y points if you wanted to. Like if you wanted to move, this is at 3/4, you could move it to 1 inch by changing in the X and Y points. Okay? Thanks for watching this video.